When systems break and your clients need immediate solutions, they don't want a 40-minute comprehensive YouTube video. They want their problem fixed in the next 2 minutes. If you have a YouTube channel for your business, this creates a massive opportunity for you. These emergency solution videos target desperate customers at the moment of their highest need. These videos deliver immediate value and can generate leads for your business long after you created them. Let me show you exactly how to create these high-impact videos. During normal business hours, people search for general improvements or optimizations, but when a system breaks, their search becomes hyper-specific on YouTube. They're looking for database crash fixes, server overload solutions, emergency backup recovery steps. These searches represent urgent problems that need immediate solutions. When you solve these problems quickly, you create instant trust and credibility with your viewers. Your video needs 3 key elements: immediate problem validation, a quick temporary fix, and a permanent solution. So here's how to structure each of these videos. Use the first 30 seconds to identify the exact problem, confirm the symptoms, and then promise immediate relief. In the next minute, provide the temporary fix showing exactly what to do with clear numbered steps. And then use the last minute of the video to deliver a complete solution, explain prevention methods, and outline their next steps. Remember, your viewers are stressed and they need clear guidance. Optimize your YouTube video for emergency use. Have clear timestamps, have numbered steps for every process, and make sure you include copyable commands and codes. Use visual indicators for critical steps. You'll want to create 3 types of solution videos. First, start with the emergency fix videos that run about 2 minutes. These are those quick fix videos. The second kind of video to create are your recovery guides. These should run about 3 to 5 minutes, and they cover the entire problem that your customer is facing. Finally, make videos to show them how to prevent these problems, and this video should run probably 5 to 7 minutes, covering a long-term solution. This strategy becomes powerful at scale. So what I want you to do is spend one focused day, maybe even just one focused afternoon, creating multiple 2-minute quick fix videos. Yes, you're going to be helpful. Yes, you're making content that customers are looking for, but think long-term too. Each video becomes a permanent asset in your library that solves a specific problem, generates trust, it attracts the right customers to your startup, and can lead to more sales. Each video solves one specific problem while building viewer confidence and demonstrating your expertise. So if you're watching this video, here's what you need to do. Start by listing your top 5 emergency scenarios. Create your first solution video, build your emergency playlist, monitor those viewer responses, and I want you to make 10 to 20 of these videos, and then plan to keep adding more videos down the road. Remember, closing big customers often starts with solving an urgent problem. By creating quick, effective solution videos, you position yourself as a trusted resource when your customers need you the most. This video library that you're going to create becomes a powerful sales tool that works continuously, turning urgent problems into long-term business relationships, aka more sales for you. And here's what most people miss on YouTube. These videos don't need fancy productions. They don't need complex storylines. They just need to solve one specific problem quickly. That's what makes them so scalable. You can create 20 of these in a single day, and each one becomes a permanent asset, bringing in new customers every single day. And if you have a YouTube channel for your business and you want to bring in customers instead of chasing them with cold email, I think we found a solution. I want to show you how to make YouTube videos that make you the go-to expert in your field. I want to teach you how to make videos that show up in front of the right customer at the right time. And the best part is you only need to do this for 2 hours a week. No posting every day, no becoming a full-time YouTuber or content creator, no chasing what's popular, just helpful videos that your perfect customer will find when they're looking for that solution. Click the link down below to learn about the YouTube Funnel Bootcamp. We'll see you on the inside.